Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May peace be with us all. First of all, let us say praise and gratitude to God Almighty, who has given His favors and gifts so that we can gather here together. Sincerely, public speaking lecturer Sir Johannes Jefria Gultom S.Pd. M.Hum, and my beloved friends in English Education E 2020. My name is Wedermawan Gea and I am from the English Department 2020. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank all the audience, especially the public speaking lecturer who has given me the opportunity to speak, to deliver my speech. On this grateful occasion, I would like to talk about my favorite day of the year. Favorite day is the day we like the most. Of course, I'm sure that everyone has their own favorite day. Usually a day becomes a favorite if that day means being happy and having good memories. Therefore, through this short speech, I will tell you that my favorite day is Christmas. I love Christmas. As a teenager, it was my favorite time of the year. But because I love Christmas and all that it presents, I must tell you that Christmas is very meaningful and memorable for me. On Christmas Day, I feel happy that I can celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ with many people in church. I feel Christmas is different from the usual days. It looks very special to me. On Christmas Day, a lot of activities are held to celebrate Christmas. Don't forget also the Christmas raffle with prizes. Especially on Christmas Eve, we can see the beautiful view of lighting candles accompanied by the song "O Holy Night" in the church. After returning from church, we can watch fireworks and make Christmas more festive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my speech about my favorite day. Thank you for your attention and time that has been given to me. I hope my short speech about my favorite day of the year can inspire you to know what your favorite day is. That's all from me. I'm Wedermawan Gea and thank you.